knocked and told him that the food is ready, but he didn't say a word.
Are you sure he's okay?
I was hearing him making a call.
It's okay, you can go.
Why are you sounding like...
It's okay. It's okay, you can go.
Okay, my queen.
He should have come down to eat. Why is it that he didn't come down to eat? Is it that he don't want to eat or what?
But like you care about him not coming down to eat or something. Do you care?
What's the problem? Is he not my son? Why wouldn't I care? He should not eat or what?
Anyway, it's fine. I will take his food to him. How do you even expect him to come sit on this same table to eat food with both of you after you all treated him very badly? How?
How did we treat him bad? How? Is he not the one that treated us bad?
Can I have
Where did we go wrong?
Can I have this meal in peace? What's the meaning of all this noise? Can I have this meal in peace for once? I said it.
Sorry for that.
Hey bro, I brought you breakfast.
Man shall not live by bread alone.
Come on, you haven't eaten since yesterday when you come back.
I will never eat from this palace again.
This is what pisses me off about you. You like to keep grudges. Come on, you are a prince. You should act like one.
I have banned you people from feeding me. If I'm hungry, I know where to get food. So get out of my...
Do you think if everybody abandoned you, you'll be surviving?
Don't make me talk too much. Shut up. I tell you that. Are you sick? Is this my... I said leave. I don't get lost. You all talk too much in this country. Simple something.
My princess, why are you here? Then I need your help. Yes, it's about my brother.
Agwa mmụọ na-apụ apụ chere wuo cherecha wuo bụkwa ntụ ahụ Your Highness, we are here to remind you that the time stipulated by the gods according to our tradition to crown the prince is fast coming to an end. And the prince is not ready. If the time elapses, I'm afraid he has to lose the opportunity of becoming the next king of this kingdom. I'm sorry about that.
Have you seen it? Did you hear yourself right? Hypocrites! Betrayers! That is what you all are! Oh! Your inordinate quest to dethrone me is already obvious. Oh, you want to succeed. You want to succeed this throne. Your Majesty, we cannot address us as such. We are here to... What a friend that will watch his own friend weep and gnat his teeth. I consulted all of you. I told you about my son's undoing. I told you about his recalcitrant attitude and the way he throws tantrums every day. You did nothing, but went ahead to plan how to bring my ruin, destroying him the more, so that you will now present your own candidate to take the throne of this kingdom. You are wicked, and your evil machination can never succeed in my kingdom. Just quote me. You are wicked. Betrayers.
I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love, for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear, my joy is so complete. My God, it feels like heaven. They speak to me and I listen. Makes me feel at peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear. My joy is so complete.
Gods of our ancestors, where have I gone wrong? What is my offense? Why would my own son from my own loins be a problem to me? He doesn't have respect for me. He doesn't have respect for the mother. All of a sudden, my son is a vampire. Who is doing this to me? Who is after my family? How come I no longer commands my son's complaint? He walks out of me at will. Hates me so much that he sees me as a vampire. Me! Gods of our ancestors, where did I... My heart. What? Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Somebody please help! Your Majesty! Hey! Guys! Square! Guys! Your Majesty! This way! Are you alright?
Maka na-eche anyị na ọ bụ isi mmanwụ mana ekwuru ekwu ekweghị udele ọ bụrụ ọkpụrụ ka amụsụ. Asị m ụbọchị m ga-agba mmanwụ na nwa nwaanyị ga-esiri m nri nwaanyị isi siere m nri eje m were mabụọ ya afọ. Asị m ọkada ka nwaanyị ga-abụ isi mmanwụ mụ bụ okorobịa makpuo unu bụrụ isi mmanwụ ka mmanwụ gbakọlienụ. The world is filled with wickedness and greed. What the prince of your land is passing through is man-made. It's not of the gods.
The wise one, if this is man-made, who is responsible? Can the gods talk to us so that we can serve our prince, please?
Ezemo, our king is in a bad state right now, worrying about his son. We need to save that boy for him. Pico,
the mouthpiece of the gods. We came from afar to consult you. We need a solution to our predicament. Please, help us.
There is no solution. There is no solution. It's for the gods to decide the young man's fate.
So, doctor, what exactly is the problem with my husband?
He will be fine. Just that whatever that triggers such should be handled. People that experience this are either mentally or physically stressed. But in the king's case, I think it's an emotional stress. I don't know what got him so worried to the point of having a heart attack. It needs to be handled immediately, please, and let it not repeat itself again.
Doc, yes. You are sure you can handle this?
Yes, I'm sure. I'm going to do for my best.
Her name is Diana, the flower girl. I have heard stories of how she used her miraculous flowers to save souls, bring peace to homes. Please, Dad, I want to bring her to come and help my brother, the prince.
You are talking nonsense, Ivy. I do not wish to discuss anything concerning your brother in this house again. As far as I'm concerned, we have lost him. He is far gone. Do you know what he did? The other time I called him to help me when your father was at the point of death. He left. He didn't care whether your father lives or not. Can you just imagine? That boy is a monster. That is what he is. So I do not wish to have anything to do with him in this house. Never again anymore.
You won't be coming down, okay? Please.
Where is he now? Where is the boy?
He's not home, but I'm sure he'll be back home soon.
And you said this said flower girl is capable of helping his situation?
Yes, Dad, she is.
Your Majesty, you are not giving a thought to this nonsense. That boy is far gone. Yes, he has gone past the mere flower girl restoring him.
I almost lost my life worrying about this boy.
Which is the reason I don't want to have anything to do with him anymore. Because I don't want him to kill you for me. You're important to me. Forget about him.
Ivy.
Dad?
You said this flower girl is capable of helping him?
Yes, Dad.
Then let's give it the last shot.
Thank you.
The last chance.
Thank you.
Your Majesty.
Mom. Thank you, Father.
My guy, considering what has been going on in this palace, I want you to tell me the truth, as your guy.
How do you see me and Nora as a husband and wife? Talk to me.
Nora. Oh, Nora, the palace maid?
Exactly. See, I want to marry her. Yes, I want to marry Nora.
Celestine, have you gotten the work you told me about? I mean, the work that you have been searching for.
I'm not looking for any job. And besides, I am working. What are you asking?
Believe me, see you, the king will sack you from this palace when he finds out everything that you have been doing in this palace.
It's a lie. The king will not even know. I will just go and marry my Nora. Who will tell the king? Who? But wait, why are you always attacking me in this palace? What is wrong with you?
I'm not attacking you.
No.
Alpha, please, can I mix up your charger? Mine is faulty.
Wait, okay. So you don't know how to greet. Look at you, you are so shameless. So he's just talking to ghosts, he's talking to nobody. You just come here, can I make use of your charger?
Please, who is this monkey? Who is this monkey, Pico?
If I slap you, I swear, if I slap you wake up in the morning.
Can you do anything? I bet sheep make I see road. Let's go and bring the charger.
No, they hold me. No, they hold me.
Leave that one.
Poor big fool. Ordinary charger you can't even afford. Eh? The other one when they talk mind your business. The charger where you get, now the one where you go put and go the hold and go touch him till he charge. And because of you, we keep buying fuel every day. Only your charger and transformer.
You're welcome, Diana. The flower girl, Mom. Meet my mom. I'm sure you've met her.
Of course.
Mom.
Your Majesty, greetings.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you.
I remember you very well. The girl that brought my son's golden wristwatch.
You're right.
I remember. Flower girl. I can't forget that in a hurry.
Thank you so much. My pleasure meeting you again.
You're welcome to our palace. Can we go inside?
All right.
Okay, Mom. See you inside.
Make sure you serve her very well.
Okay. I will.
Thank you.
There's no answering his calls.
I guess I should have called before coming. I can wait for him.
I'm so sorry for the inconveniences.
It's okay.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you so much, my king.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Ivy, go and get something for her.
Okay. Oh, my king, that's so very kind of you. Thank you so much, my king. Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome. Now tell me, my daughter, what is this, the mystery behind this your magic flower? How did you come about the magic flower?
My king, there is no magic here. Thank you so much for asking me this question. You know, God created flowers, each with its uniqueness and potentials. Flowers are gifts to mankind. They are also blessings. My king, my queen, are you aware that flowers can hear? They can fade, and they can also breathe and communicate as well.
Communication as in, you mean they can talk and you can hear them?
Of course. Flowers talk. You know, they communicate to me all the time. They can also communicate to you. Yes, if you have a free mind an open mind towards everything. The flowers can talk to you. And you will also respond to them. They are so lovely. Are you aware flowers can sing?
Eh?
Wow.
Sing.
Flowers can sing.
This is becoming interesting. For real?
Yes, my king. Flowers can be used for different purposes. Flowers can be used for healing. It can be used to mend broken hearts. Flowers can be used for mending broken hearts. Flowers can be used for casting out spell. You can use flowers for different purposes. They are so adorable. They are everything you want to have around you. Do you know that flower has a sleeping aid? The aromas will help you sleep at night. They can also be used to raise the dead.
Yeah.
Yes. Flower can be used in installing peace and tranquility.
My ears are filled up. Huh? What nonsense was that? Where did you say you met her?
The gardens. Why did you ask, Mom?
I don't think she is okay upstairs. You see, something is wrong with her. How can she say that she is singing and communicating with flowers? Who does that? Didn't just listen to the nonsense she was spewing in there.
Mom, she's alright. Haven't you heard about the horticulturists that communicate with the plants? Yes. She's not insane. Anybody who goes up there would testify she's fine. She's just communicating with flowers. Because that is her job. That's the nature of her job. That is her specialties, Mom.
So, you want me to believe that she is okay, that nothing is wrong with her?
Just relax. She's fine. The only person I am worried about now is Dozier. Because he's not even picking up his calls.
Forget about Dozier. You know his way. Eh? We are used to it. Please, send me that one.
Sorry to tell you this. Your fallopian tube has been damaged from the result of the kicks that he gave to you on your stomach.
Sorry, doctor, calm down. I didn't hear you clearly. Did you say my fallopian tube? I don't understand. What do you mean by that, please?
It means you are not going to be able to get pregnant for life again.
No!
I'm sorry.
No! No, doctor, I didn't... What? No! Oh my God! No! 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 Somebody help me! I'm finished! Doctor! Doctor! No! I can't take this, doctor! No! No!
Neither here. Also, close your eyes. Never greet me without my consent. Do you understand? Hands up. Look at your hair. Palace guard. You can't even... You'll be here for 7 days.
Brother, you're welcome. You have a guest. Her name is Diana. She's here to help you.
Help me?
Yes. Hi. Come meet her.
What help can she offer dressed like this?
Brother, calm down. Just, at least, just meet her first.
You can talk without holding me. What's your name?
I'm Diana.
Nobody cares. Have we met before?
Yes.
Shit. It's not necessary. I'm not in the mood of seeing anybody.
Brother, it's just 2 minutes of your time. Just speak to her now.
Matagisi.
Brother.
I said I'm not in the mood of talking to anybody.
Are you sure you can help me, brother?
It went exactly as I expected. I know it's what he will do.
My dear, have you seen what we've been talking about? That has been our fears. But can you still help him in this stupid condition?
I can only help him if he is willing to be helped.
Come in. I guess you're in the wrong room, okay? If you're looking for my sister's room, it's the other way.
I'm actually in the right room. Yes, I came to say hi to you. Please, can I sit down?
Sit.
Thank you.
Whose idea is this? My busybody sister or my parents? Either ways, trust me, you're in the wrong room.
I should say that you're very lucky to have a family that, cares so much about you. I would like to tell you a story, if you don't mind.
Okay.
Okay. So there is this certain lady. She grew up with her family. The father is always very busy and very, carried away with his political position. The mother, she's a businesswoman, always busy with her business. She doesn't have time for the child. The siblings as well. Nobody has time for the child. The father is just focusing on his political ambition. And the mother, she's a businesswoman. She never had time for the child. The siblings, everybody's just too busy for the child. Without knowing that the child was being molested by the driver. The driver molested the child, raped the child countless times. But she couldn't tell anyone because nobody has her time. She kept on seeking for attention, but nobody gave her the attention she ever wanted. Eventually, the girl died. When she passed on, she dropped a message stating everything that she passed through that made her, go to her early grave. It was just too painful.
Well, I think that idiot driver should be buried upside down. Yes.
But is he the only one that is guilty?
Of course, the blood of the innocent girl is on his hands.
No, I disagree with you. He is not the only one that is guilty. The parents, the sibling, everybody around the girl.
Just because the parents were not observant enough does not give the driver the license to take advantage of the girl. But that's by the way. Why the pity story? What's my business with all this?
I'm telling you this story because I want you to understand that your family loves you so much. They care about you and they want the very best for you. That is exactly why I'm here, to help you get better. Because I know you're sick. Yes, you need You need a lot of help. You're very, very annoying, but I can manage.
Are you mad? What's wrong with you? Have you lost your sense of respect? Have you forgotten you're in my room? Watch your choice of words. Don't forget you're talking to a prince.
Prince? Really? But I don't see any prince. I only see a thug. Someone that is ready to kill and suck blood and do a lot of things just like those people on the street. That will be over your dead body. If you try to hit me, I promise you, you will regret this for the rest of your life.
Oh, yeah, get out. Get out. Just get out of this place.
It's alright.
Get. You're very, very stupid. Let's go and drink and do. Come on.
You need rest.
No. Shut up, right? Comes to story time, but who gives a fuck?
How did it go?
Fine. I have started with him.
Do you think you can save him?
My princess, you just have to calm down. We will take it one step at a time. There is no need rushing. All we need is results, right?
Yes. See, thank you so much. Thank you for all you do. Please do anything you can just to make sure that he's fine. See, you don't have to worry about anything. If it's money, you have no problem about it. I just want my brother to be normal again. Please, Diana.
It's alright, my princess. I will do my very best. With the help of my flowers, I know he will be fine. You just have to be patient and pray to our Chi. Everything will be fine.
Thank you.
It's alright.
Thank you so much.
It's alright. I will have to be on my way. Okay. Right. Thank you, my princess.
Thank you.
Hey, His Majesty, a flower girl? Is this a joke or what?
My daughter believes strongly that the flower girl will be of immense help to my son.
And you believed her? I think what your son needs is a rehab.
On the contrary, no. Taking my son to the rehabilitation center will make my people not to have confidence in him as a successor to the throne of this kingdom.
So you think your subject haven't lost confidence in him already? Who in this kingdom haven't tested his madness?
Stop! Don't regard my son in that manner. Don't. That is too strong for my son.
Okay. My apology. Your Highness, tell me the polite way to explain his behavior. All I know is this: he needs a good doctor and a good therapist.
Hey, you won't believe this. I have invited several therapists and all of them failed me. All of them.
My king, that is the problem. In-house treatment is not good enough for him. He needs to check into the hospital for 24/7 monitoring and treatment. That is my take.
It's all right, but I think we should give the flower girl a chance.
It's a waste of money and time. Yes?
Why can't you say, just for once, say something positive about my son? Just once. Why are you to say negative about my son's situation?
It's okay. You can't cry yourself to death. Please.
Amaka. So, I can't give birth to a child anymore. Like, do you know what that means? I can't. Like, does it mean I'm useless? Like, I can't give birth to a child anymore. Why will God allow such a thing to happen to me? Why me? Why me? It's okay. Why me, God? Why me? I think at this point, you should report that monster to his father and to the police so he can take full responsibility for what he has done to you. He needs to. He's going to deny me. I know that monster. I know him. I know what he's capable of doing. He would deny me, Amaka. He would deny not having anything to do with me. No, Sonia. He can't just go so free. Oh my God, I'm finished. I can't give birth to a child anymore. Does that make me useless now? Does that make me useless now? He will pay. He will pay so dearly. I just wish you listen to me when I asked you to just stay away. I just wish. I'm sorry. Please. I think it's a bad idea. I asked you to come and help my brother.
I know he threatened you. He threatened you that he would deal with me, right?
How did you know?
Of course. He said the same thing to me.
But you told me everything was fine.
Of course. Everything is fine. And I never wanted you to panic.
See, you still have to stop coming here because I'm scared for you. I don't want anything to happen to you, please.
Relax your mind, princess. Relax. There is nothing your brother is going to do to me. All I'm here to do is to make your brother feel well. He needs to be fine.
Diana, you don't understand. You don't understand. When my brother is angry, he can hurt anybody. Yes. And moreover, I thought you needed to place flowers on his bed and the flowers will do the magic. So what happened?
Firstly, your brother needs to accept that he needs change. He needs to change for the better. That is the only way my flowers will work for him. And that is why I'm here. He needs counseling. After that, my flowers can work for him.
I'm scared. I am scared.
You don't have to be scared. Everything is going to be fine. Where's your brother? Where is he?
He went out. He's not around.
So, can I go in and wait for him?
Are you sure?
Of course. Relax your mind.
My prince, I think you should consider going for a rehab instead of you wasting your time with that flower girl.
Why do you like getting on my nerves?
I'm sorry, but I'm only concerned about you.
Don't. Okay? I'm fine. I'm not going to continue with that flower girl, neither am I traveling to abroad. I am fine. If you're not comfortable with it, fuck off.
I'm sorry.
Repeat, fuck off.
I'm sorry. That reminds me, I met Sonia the other day. She lost her pregnancy and she's currently in pain.
I don't care.
You don't care?
You heard me loud and clear. I don't care.
And what if she reports you to her parents or to your father?
She can report me to whoever she chooses. That's none of my business. She now belongs in my past. She's my ex. Ex means past. So whatever happens to her, whatever she's going through, shouldn't bother me. Capish?
Hi, you're back. You're welcome.
Is this a joke or what? What are you doing in my room without my consent?
I'm so happy to have you back. You know, I've been waiting for you for the past 2 hours. And I have 3 more hours to teach you on the new topic I have for you today.
Listen,
so please sit down.
No matter what, invading my privacy without my consent is a no-no for me. Get out.
Okay, I understand. But like I said, I have an interesting topic to lecture you on.
God knows you are one temptation I've been trying so hard to resist. Why are you pushing me?
Please, can you sit down so I can do my work?
You're making me talk too much and I hate repeating myself. I said, get out of this room. Are you deaf?
Continue resisting the urge. Sit down, let me teach you.
Leave this place.
Please sit down. You enjoy.
Don't worry, don't leave. I'm coming.
Father, he's not buying into the rehab bullshit. Neither his father. I am disappointed.
Anyways, I have my boys ready to gun him down.
What? Are you out of your mind? On whose authority are you acting? Huh?
Come on, Father, I'm tired of waiting for you. You assured me that his death
will launch me into the throne. So I want to take him out of the picture so I can look forward to the throne.
Amobi, if you hit the prince, the whole kingdom will know that I did it. Because I have the power to put anybody that I want on that throne. And if I dare install you, voila.
I'm sorry, Father, but it's already too late. I've ordered a hit on him.
Do you want to become the crown prince? Call it off now. I said now.
Yeah, listen. Flower girl or whatever you call yourself. The next time you try such nonsense again, you won't like what I will do to you. Wait, so who owns the car?
That's one of her cars.
One of her cars?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you said she's a flower girl.
Yes.
So how come flower girl own cars?
A rich lady who decided to make it her duty to save lost souls like you and retrieve souls like you. Do you even know how much I paid her just to come here and help you? Do you?
This is confusing. A flower girl is not supposed to be rich.
Maybe when you decide not to look down on people, then you will know that there are some people who are richer than you and still humble.
Are you sure she's a flower girl? Or is she a flower girl by day and a kidnapper at night?
Brother.
How much is flower garden?
Can you imagine? Because you're not humble, you're just a bully. You're a bully for a brother.
Listen, I see hot slap hovering around your head. Be careful.
That's all you know how to do. Beat, slap, bully. I don't think the flower girl is returning again.
Why would you say that?
Your son. He chased her with a cutlass. So I don't think she's returning.
He chased her away with a cutlass?
Yes.
Where is he now?
He left with anger. Mom, I don't think there's anything we can do to help Dozie anymore. Because the only chance he has is the flower girl. And now he has blown the chances. It is over.
Ha! Yes. Dozie. Ha!
It is over, Mom.
Chasing her with a cutlass. Hi!
Sonia, when did you get the report?
Yesterday. I've not been able to sleep. Dozie has destroyed me. Dozie has destroyed me. I'm now without a womb. Dozie has destroyed me. I'm finished.
But you know you caused it. I'm sorry, but to be honest, you did. I was forced to come to you, but you turned me down for the prince. Now, look at the result.
Really? I can't believe you're sounding like this at this time of my life. Eh? Where is your conscience and sympathy? Why are you sounding this way? How do you want me to feel? Oh, God.
Well, I'm so sorry about that. You know it's the truth, but the truth is always so painful. What I'm saying is that this wouldn't have happened if you had accepted my request. I'm sorry that you're going through all this shit all by yourself and without the prince showing any sign of remorse. I know how you feel and I'm deeply sorry.
It's obvious the prince has no soul left in him at all. Which is why I want you to help me and take him down. Yes. I want you to help me and destroy him.
What exactly are you doing here?
We were supposed to be at the palace today, but there was no sign of you. Why?
Yes, because I have decided to channel my energy on people that want to be saved, not someone who prefers to walk around damaged. I don't have such time.
As a flower girl, I thought you were supposed to be homely. You have so much pride in you. I don't take insults, so watch what you say to me, Makola. I see you are interested in me. Why don't you just come out plain and say it? Than using this your useless flower format to get to me.
How dare you? I will not have you or anyone come into my garden and insult me. I detest insults. Don't try it. This is the dumbest thing I've ever heard.
I love insults. Watch what you say.
Oh, you will do what? What are you going to do? No, I'm asking you. What exactly are you going to do? You're going to attack me in my own garden. You must be dreaming. You know what? Try it. I dare you. Try it and watch yourself regret it for the rest of your life.
Illegal. One hot slap now, whatever that is making you rant will disappear. Be careful.
Please get out. I can see you don't have anything important to do here. Get out, we want to sleep.
Who are the we? What do you mean by we?
I said get out. We want to have our siesta. We? Are you blind to see that I am referring to my flowers? Please leave. Get out of here and I'll pour you this water.
You wouldn't dare. If you try it in Bogeba.
Don't dare me. I am not afraid of you and I will never be scared of you. Did you hear me? Get out!
I think you're the one who needs therapy now. Look at the way you're sounding.
Anyway, I don't have time for demented people.
Who are the we?
My lovelies, don't worry. Some distractions want to distract. I know you want to sleep, right? Don't mind some distraction. They cannot get us. Oh, wow.
Nora.
What's going on?
Nora.
What's going on here? Celesta, are we in trouble?
Yes. No. I know too Sabi do this kind of thing. I am here with my kinsmen. Sorry, my friends.
I don't understand what's going on here.
Celeste, go ahead. Sugar cream. Calm down, be a man. Okay. I beg, my friends don't tell me say you no go for my hand. I beg, Nora, don't for my hand. I know to Sabi do this kind of thing. I never done before. Now my first time with this. I beg.
What's happening?
I beg, It's time to bring out the ring. Bring out the ring.
I don't understand.
Nora, I beg. This is medicine now. My mama get her. I beg. My mama get this one. I beg. See, my friends, they tell me say you no go for my house. And I know say you no go for my house.
I don't understand what's going on here.
I beg. If he enter you, later, I will buy you another one. I will buy you your own. Now my mama gave this one. After today, I go buy you another one. She will need that. Yeah. Well, marry me.
You like say no like her.
Congrats. Akugum, will you marry me, baby? Will you marry me, baby? I want to know, baby. Hey!
See, my wife, I am going to tell the king, and after that, we are leaving this palace immediately. Sorry. See, my love is even shocking you.
I'll go anywhere you go. Yeah?
Chai, My love,
Hmm?
thank you so much for accepting to marry me. Eh? Thank you. And God bless you. Why are you laughing?
It's me. Say God bless me. You're very funny.
Thank you.
That's why I
can
love
be funny
you.
for you. I love you too. Eh? Hey, what are you doing here? Please go. We don't need your trouble. Please go. Let her go.
Betty, I'm not here to make trouble. I'm just here to apologize for the way I've been speaking to you and insulting you. I'm sorry, Celestine. I'm sorry. Truth is, I've always thought that you wanted to take advantage of me. I've always seen you as an unserious human being. And all the guys that I've been with never proposed to me. But look at you guys. You guys are so in love. Truly, money is not everything.
Come here. Thank you for saying this.
Latricia. I've forgiven you. Forget my bad mouth. You are a beautiful girl. And you're going to be an amazing woman, an amazing wife to your man.
I don't think so. So that I don't know how to cook. I'm always making terrible meals. Even the king is always complaining. Except I'll just learn from Nora, who is a better cook than I am.
No problem. You are going to learn from Nora. From Mrs. Nora Celeste, my wife.
I've started. You must still rub it on my face.
Mrs. Celeste.
Say it, teach you.
I yourself, I'm going for it.
Wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear. My joy is so complete. My God, it feels like heaven. They speak to me and I listen. Makes me feel at peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear. My joy is so complete. Oh, my God, it feels like heaven. They speak to me and I listen. Makes me feel at peace.
Father.
Yes, my son.
Father, there is a problem. The prince is so much interested in a particular flower girl.
The flower girl his father talked to me about. Are they dating each other or what?
No, Father, they're not dating yet, but the prince seems very much attracted to her. I've been seeing him sneaking on her garden lately.
I do not see that girl as a threat to us.
Trust me, Father, she does. I mean, the prince seems very much distracted. And I'm afraid, Father, that she might end up timing him, which goes completely clear out of our plan.
Are you suggesting we destroy her?
Father, just give you instructions and see it come to pass.
Amobi, no. We have lots of blood in the palm of our hands. We cannot destroy her. All we have to do is sit back and watch as things unfold between both of them. You understand?
I'm sorry.
Sorry about what exactly?
For being harsh towards you and for refusing your attempt to help me. I'm sorry.
I see. So what exactly do you need from me?
Your forgiveness. I want us to start afresh, on a fresh note.
Oh wow. I have forgiven you long ago. Yes, but coming to the palace to teach you? I'm sorry, I don't have time for such. I have people I'm attending to.
I thought we were starting on a fresh note.
Yes, but like I said, I have a lot of customers I am attending to. And my babies, they need me. So I can't leave them. So coming to the palace to teach you, it's a no-no. But if you're willing to come over here, then we'll have a deal.
All right. I will be coming.
You're willing to come?
Yes.
Fine. We have a deal then.
I was about to close a new account.
That won't be necessary, Father. I am now a changed person. I'm sorry for the way I have been behaving in this palace. I've been sounding rude, disrespecting everyone. I'm deeply sorry about that. I can't even explain what came over me. I'm ready to seek help. I visited the flower girl and we agreed to be visiting her garden for my therapy section.
You will be visiting her garden? Was she not supposed to come here?
Yes, but she says she's always busy with clients, so I have to go.
Oh, that's nonsense. Are we not paying her enough?
Brother, you know, I'm still surprised the way you speaking. I mean, whatever that is responsible for this change, I love it. I like it. I love it. I'm so happy. More.
Dozier, my heart will be gladdened if you're back to your old self. I'll be very, very happy. I can't just wait, son. Look into my eyes.
Wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love for the things that make me happy.
You know, I was really surprised when he came here and said he is ready for me to help him.
Do you know, I thought you convinced him to agree to it. I was more than surprised when he came to apologize to our parents and said he has accepted for you to help him. I am so grateful. Like, thank you so much. Just help me to restore my brother. Just let him get back to his normal self. I will be indebted to you, Diana. I promise.
Like I said before, my princess, you don't have to worry. I will do my very best to make sure I restore your brother. And your brother gets back to his normal self with the help of my flowers.
Thank you so much.
It's okay, but yes, I believe we will do it. But you know, the bulk of the job lies on him. He needs to be willing to change. That's all I can say.
Thank you so much. Thank you. How much am I supposed to pay for the commencement of the therapy sections?
My princess, I won't be taking anything from you. Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes, with time.
Do you mean for now?
For now. I will let you know when I need anything from you.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's alright. You're welcome.
Alright. I'll take my leave.
What do you mean you can't kill him? Amobi, what do you mean that you can't kill him? I thought you hated him as well for what he did to me.
Of course, I hate him so much for how he treated you and all that. But killing him now is something that I cannot just do.
So when do you want to do it? When do you want to kill him? Because I can't wait to see him dead. He needs to die. So when are you doing it?
Sonia, I need you to calm down. Just calm down. Listen, I got you in this, trust me.
Really?
I will do it, but not just now.
I'm disappointed in you. I'm so disappointed right now.
Sonia.
Get out of my house.
Wait. Are you walking out of your house?
You heard me. Get up and leave now.
You know, when a child spits on the air, it falls back at him and thereby defiles his face.
Shut up and leave. Get out. Leave and don't come back again. Get out. Oh my God.
I wake up with the sunrise, my heart filled with love for the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace.
Please, please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please spare my life. Please.
It's okay. Hope you're not hurt. It's okay, just a mistake.
Please spare my life. Spare my life. Please, I beg you in the name of God, please. Please.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up, just clean it up, okay? Stand up, it's okay. Are you okay?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I'm not a changed person, so relax. Just clean this up. And be careful, okay? Be careful so that you don't injure yourself. Okay? Be careful. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Listen, I don't bite. I'm not a changed person, okay?
Okay, sir.
It's just a mistake. It could happen to anybody. I said I'm a changed person. I won't even touch you. Are you okay?
Yes.
Stand up, stand up, stand up. Be free.
Look, Sonia, even in as much as I want you to deal with that monster for what he did to you, but ending his life, I'm not going to be party to that.
That is exactly what he deserves for ruining my life. So he has to pay. Babe, I know what he did was terrible. It was extreme, but ending it, killing him, no now. I don't care. I don't. He needs to die. He has to pay for everything he did to me. So I don't care.
No, I totally disagree. Babes, you are treading on a very wrong path. And trust me, I'm not going to support you on this one.
You're not going to support me? Then fuck off and mind your business. I don't need your support.
Wow. Listen, I know how you are feeling, but
you don't know how I feel. You know nothing about how I feel right now. Because you're not the one who cannot give birth to a child.
I don't have a womb anymore because of Dozier. So you know nothing about how I feel. So shut the fuck up and mind your damn business because you know nothing about how I feel. Do you understand right now? Don't provoke me.
Hi.
You are late.
Yes, sorry. I had to.
Don't do this next time. Always keep to time. I said, watch. Don't talk, please.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you aware that I'm still standing here?
Of course, I'm aware. I'm not blind.
So what am I supposed to be doing here?
Do you really need my help?
Of course, if I don't need your help, I won't be here.
Then keep quiet and watch. We don't need noise.
Who are the we?
I said, Mr. Man, keep quiet. We don't need noise.
Cheers for our son being a better man.
Is that how you share?
Hmm?
You're supposed to be civilized by now. All the same, I'm very happy.
Because you weren't interested initially. Your son is back. I'm so happy he has changed for the best.
For the things that make me happy, for the things that bring me peace. Every petal, every leaf so clear. My joy is so complete. My God, it feels like
Not again. Back to Egypt?
I'll find out.
Not again! Not again! What do you think I've come with?
I swear to God, that flower girl is annoying. She wasted my whole day for nothing.
You mean doing nothing?
Yes.
You didn't have any section with her?
Yes. I was just there and the idiot was busy taking care of her flowers. Since morning.
What could have been wrong?
I shouldn't have listened to you. I regret visiting there today. I mean, what sort of embarrassment is that?
But brother,
Do I look jobless?
But brother, you know you...
You know what? I'm done with this conversation. Just leave me.
Brother.
Get out. Get out and go.
What happened last night? My brother came back home very angry.
Why is your brother not here yet? Doesn't he know we have another section today?
Wait, you had a section?
Yes, we had a section yesterday. See, call your brother. If he doesn't get here by the end of today, if he comes here tomorrow, he should know that I am no longer interested to lecture him. Make him know that.
But he came back home saying that you never had a section, so
your brother is not serious. I don't have time for people that are not serious. As you can see, I have time for people that want to be saved. So just let him know.
Hey, my beat just fell. Give it to me. You have a bigger problem.
You, get up from here. Go. How are you harassing yourself in public? What happened is right.
Come. You know why?
What's the problem?
You know why it is? I caught him molesting a girl after slapping her. That's wickedness now. I told him to stop. He said no. I was like, okay, let me teach you a lesson you will never forget.
And you wanted to kill him. You nearly killed that little boy, which would have landed you in a police cell again. What is wrong with you? Can't you control your anger?
Listen, if people can identify right and wrong and stick to right, we won't be having problems. What he did is wrong now. Huh? No one disrespects me and goes scot-free. Only her.
Only her? Who is this girl you're talking about?
This stupid flower girl now.
Wait, she disrespected you?
Many times, bro.
Listen, and you didn't treat her like you did to others?
I guess that girl is my soft spot.
Can you listen to yourself? You just said that this girl disrespected you many times. She deserves to be punished, yet you didn't.
Don't forget, she's my teacher. I find it difficult to hurt her. Let's leave the sun now.
Teacher, my food.
My princess, I got a pardon from the prince for mistakenly breaking his glass cup. I thought I was going to die when the glass got shattered. But to my greatest surprise, he showed compassion. I mean, I'm so happy the princess changed.
you're surprised, I know. He has improved lately. The prince has actually changed.
My princess, and I know you're responsible. I want to say thank you for not giving up on him. The prince is a good man, and I know that very, very soon, he will come out fully from the thing that made him a monster. You're the best sister anyone could ever ask of.
You're right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my princess. Thank you. Everyone.
He's the person I wanted to kill. He has to die. Him.
This guy again?
What do you mean this guy again? Do you know him before?
Yes, someone paid us to kill him, but later call off the heat.
Someone? Really?
Yeah. But wait, why do everybody want him dead?
Everyone wants him dead because he is a beast who is not supposed to coexist among the humans. He needs to die.
Sorry, ma, we can't help you because someone has already paid us to kill the prince, but later call off the heat.
What?
And if you go ahead and kill the prince, it's going to be an issue between us and the person.
So, did I hear you well? Someone already paid you to kill him? Who is the animal that stopped the heat on a man who is supposed to be dead by now? Who is the only beribe that did that nonsense? Who is he? What? This is unbelievable. This man? Wow. Okay. change of plan. Now I know who to kill first.
Lot of protein for your flowers.
Lomi soil.
Yes.
Is that why you are here? Why are you teaching me what I don't need? This thing has no link to my problem. I'm here for anger issues. Tell me how to manage my anger. Stop teaching me about soils.
Mr. Man, I hope you've been listening to my lectures, because after this section, I am going to ask you questions, and if you don't answer it, you will repeat this section.
Teacher, don't teach me nonsense. I have been listening to you, but you're not making sense to me. You're not making sense to me. What am I supposed to do with this? Clay soil, loamy soil, sandy soil? No! It's not in sync with why I'm here.
So what condition are you here for?
Anger. Anger management. Teach me how to control my temper, because I am already losing it on you.
Oh, it's obvious you are irredeemable. Else, you would have been understanding everything I've been teaching you here. I am not deaf and I'm not dumb. So you better listen to me or you get out if you're not ready.
I'm not interested in flowers. Say
Okay?
forever.
Oh my goodness.
I'm the Nicoloni soil.